Hey everybody, welcome back to DX News. It's been a crazy couple of months. We really hope you enjoyed the ride so far. So let's start off with BTC, which is still at the 20K mark. Fantastic. Now, and that's even after Fed regulations. That's crazy, right? Because I don't know if you've been around or if you're new to crypto, but let us explain why this is surprising. So cryptocurrencies are volatile assets. You're not guaranteed to profit or hold the original price. That's also the reason why you can make a lot of money if you get in at the right time. Now, this is not financial advice because you can easily lose everything. You can get wrecked, as we say. Now, the Fed has been raising interest, which is a sign of recession, and also that everything gets more expensive. People want to have liquidity in their pocket for any situation that might come across when they need that money, right? Money in your pocket makes you feel safe. Now, if you look at the charts and the news, you can usually see how the charts take a big dip whenever the Fed raises interest or whenever there are some big regulations in the works. Now, the Fed just raised the interest in case you didn't notice, or maybe in case we didn't make it clear. So it hiked 0.75%. That means things are going to get even more expensive. And usually crypto goes down. Now, we really hope, like always, that this is the bottom of the barrel and that the Fed leaves us alone. And let's move on to Coinbase, which is quite possibly, well, one of the worst crypto companies to work with. Now, their revenue for Q3 has plummeted 44% because of the users that are also declining. I mean, no surprise. Crypto exchange Coinbase saw a huge fall in its transaction revenues in the third quarter. Activity fell amid a broader market turnout, but managed to cut its losses in half compared to prior to quarter. In its shareholder letter released November 3rd, the company shared that the transaction revenue had fallen from $655.2 million in the second quarter to $365.9 million, representing a decline of 44%. Are coping really hard. This is something they said. When we're in bull runs, we're gonna make profit. When we're in downturns, we're gonna take prudent loss. What? So they already cut staff in half, rescinded offers, and tanked their stocks. I mean, what else they can do? I mean, what else can they do when their stock is 30% down and investors are not happy about it? Even some big firms like ARK Invest have dumped a lot of their stock. Coinbase shares, Coin, that's ticker, have fallen over 8% over the days of trading, with the firm's revenue for the quarter coming in below Bloomberg expectations of $649.2 million. Moving on to everyone's favorite fugitive Twitter shitposter. South Korean prosecutors accused Do Kwon of manipulating Terra's price. Do Kwon, the dude that destroyed crypto a couple of months ago, and the only criminal who uses Twitter to mock his victims, is at it again. This time, the Korean court said Do Kwon specifically told Terra Labs team to manipulate the price of Terra. That is indeed evil, motherfucker. A report by the Korean Broadcasting System, KBS, on November 3rd quotes an official from the South Korean prosecutor's office who said they obtained a conversation history in which CEO Do Kwon specifically ordered price manipulation. The reported evidence came in form of messenger conversation between Kwon and a former Terra Labs employee. Prosecutors did not disclose further details. Now, Do Kwon keeps mocking people because according to him, he's not hiding, but there is speculation he's roaming around all over Europe like he could be sleeping on one of those bullet trains. Now, even though Interpol has stated that his passport should be removed, Do Kwon is now an illegal immigrant wherever he is in any country, and he cannot travel legally between countries. Moving on to the evil villains bankers, JP Morgan said that Polygon could get 200% gains after the adoption of Instagram to support NFTs on Polygon chain. Wow, Polygon's really making moves. They got quite the repertoire of partnerships, including Disney, Starbucks, Robinhood, and of course, DXL. MATIC, a utility and staking token within the Polygon blockchain ecosystem, rose over 13% to 0.985 after the announcement, accompanied by an uptick in daily trading volume. MATIC's upside move came as part of a broader recovery rally across the crypto sector that started in mid-June. MATIC's price has rebounded by more than 200%, a trend that will likely sustain in the coming months. Notably, Meta, the parent company of Instagram, named Polygon as its initial partner for its upcoming non-fungible token tools that allow users to mint, showcase, and sell their digital collectibles on and off the social media platform. Are you guys bullish on MATIC? It's actually always been one of my favorite layer 2 coins, but with Ethereum transaction fees dropping, what's gonna happen with all the EVMs? Future is here, guys. I've been talking about it so long that it's almost hard to believe. Big changes are coming to DXL. All we can tell you now is to always do your own research and stay tuned for more updates. Until next time.